Welcome back. Today we are going to learn a method which is used to find prime numbers up to a certain limit. It's an algorithm to find prime numbers, and this method is known as Sieve of Eratosthenes. Right? This method is called Sieve of Eratosthenes method. It is invented by this guy Eratosthenes. Sieve means filter out. Like you filter some powder from stone. There's a utensil there, and you filter it out by shaking it, right? That's what it means. It filters out the prime number. So Eratosthenes, you can see the picture over here. He was a great mathematician. He was a geographer, astronomer, poet, and a music theorist. He is best known for his finding of he the first person. He is actually the first person to find out the circumference of the Earth, and he is a founder of geography also. So here I have written the steps of the method: step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. So what we are going to do is we are going to find the prime numbers from 1 to 100 using his method. We are going to find prime numbers right over here, right? We'll follow the steps. It's very easy, it's not that complicated, you'll just know. So let's start it. Step 1, cross out 1 because it's not a prime number. Earlier I told you that 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number. So since it's not a prime, we are going to find prime numbers, right, using this method. So step 1 is cross out 1 because it's not a prime. So we are going to cross it out. Then step 2, move on to next number, right? In circle 2, we have to circle it and cross all the multiples of 2 other than 2 itself. We have already encircled it, and we have to now cross all the multiple of 2. So I will cross all this out. It's very easy. I'll cross it out for you. So I have crossed all the multiples of 2 here, you can see it. Now step 3. You don't have to remember the steps, you'll know it. Step 1 is cross the number 1 because it's not a prime. Step 2, encircle the number 2 because it's a prime, right? And we have to cross out all the multiples of number 2. Step 3 will move to the next number, that is 3, which is not crossed out. We haven't done anything to this. So we move to this, we encircle it. It's written over here. You will find that the next uncrossed number is 3. Encircle 3, we have encircled it, and cross out all the multiples of 3. So I'll cross out 6 is already crossed out, 9 I have to cross out, 12 crossed out, 15 cross out, 18, 21 cross out, 24 is already crossed out, 27 I have to cross out, 30 is already crossed out, 33 I have to cross out, again 39 I have to cross out, 42 and 45 I have to cross out, 48 is already crossed out, 51 I have to cross out, 54 is already crossed out, 57 I have to cross out, 60 is already crossed out. I'm crossing out all the multiples of 3, okay? 60, 63 I have to cross out, 66 is already crossed out, 69 I have to cross out, and 72, 75, 78, 81, 84, 87, 90, 93, 96, 99. So I've already crossed out all the multiples of 3. Next, we'll go to next number 4. Since it is crossed out, we'll go to the next number. Right? It is 5. We will encircle it. It's simple, right? You're getting it. 5. So now you already know that I have to encircle 5. We have to cross out the multiple of what? 5. You're getting to it. So 10 cross out, 15 cross out, 20, 25 cross out 30, 35 cross out 40, 45 cross out 50. I'm crossing all the multiples of 5. 55 cross out 60, 65, 70, 75, similarly 85 and 95. Now the next number 6 is already crossed out. We'll go to the next number. We have to encircle it. 7, right? And I have to cross out all the multiples of 7. 7, 14, 20, 21, 28, 28, right? 34. We have to cross out all the multiples of 7. So 4, 42, 49, 7, 7 is 49, right? And 56, 63, and 70, 77, and 84, 4, then 91, and 98. It's already crossed out. So I have crossed out the multiple of 7. Now it's crossed out, it's crossed out, it's crossed out. Going to encircle this number. Then multiple of 11 will be 22, 33, 44, 55. It's already crossed out, right? Multiple. Next number is 12 crossed out, so going to 13, 13, 26, and 39, right? So again adding 13, 39 to 3 and after 39 then 52 is already crossed out. 52 plus 13 will be 65, is already crossed out. Then plus 13 will be 78, is already crossed out. And plus 13 will be 91, is already crossed out. So 13 multiples, it's already crossed out. Cross out, cross out, cross out. Going to 17 now. 17 multiple, I have to find it. 17, then 34 is already crossed out. 51 is already crossed out. 68, I'm saying the multiples of 17. 68 is already crossed out. 85 is already crossed out. So it's already crossed out. 19, 19 multiples, I have to find. 38 crossed out. 57 crossed out. 76 crossed out. These are the multiples of 19. And 95 crossed out. So 20 is crossed out already. Going to next 21, 22, now 23. 23 table will be 46 is already crossed out, and 69 is already crossed out. 92 is already crossed out. So we go to the next number, 29. It's also a prime number, and we have to find the multiples of 29 now. 29 to the 58, then 58 plus 29, and let me check on the net. Alright, 29 3 is 87. 87 here, it's crossed out. So it's crossed out. 31 is a prime number. I guess right now you have to you get the idea, right? Like you have to encircle first and cross out the multiples of it, then go to the next number, cross out the multiples of it. So these numbers which are left right now, 9, 61, 67, these numbers are prime numbers. These are prime number, one more there. So let's look at the steps, right? Just to revise. First, cross out when 1 is crossed out because it's not a prime number. We know it. Then after 1, we go to the next number. There is 1. After 1 is 2. So we encircle the 2 and we cross out all the multiples of 2, right? Then we find that the next uncrossed number is 3, right? It's written here. It's 3. We encircle the 3 and cross out all the multiples of 3. Then we go to the next number, 4. Since 4 is already crossed out, I crossed it out because of 2, right? So it's crossed out, so we go to the next number which is not crossed, that is 5. So I encircle 5 and cross out all the multiples of 5 and other than 5 itself. Then continue the process. I did continue the process, right? So after we did it, we completed everything. We see that all these encircled numbers are prime numbers and all the crossed out numbers are composite number, not 1. 1 is neither a prime nor a composite. There is an exception there. So all the encircled numbers are prime number and all the crossed out numbers are composite numbers. I hope you understood it. Steps is very easy. You don't need to remember it. Just know the concept. That's it. I hope you understand well. If there's any doubt, you can comment down below. Thank you guys for watching.